This tomato sauce cooking for the last about 25 minutes, and as you can see, I'm grabbing the handle pretty close right to the cooking surface. It's not really even hot. It's got a little bit of warmth, a little bit of carryover, but that's it. So, and we're on industrial here, and it's another part of those amazing qualities and design of the noni pan.
Yeah. There's a clue.
Yeah, these designs, the designs that are cut in here are dissipating the heat, and I'm not a mechanical engineer, I'm just a chef. But this is dissipating the heat enough. As you can see, my hand is here, and it's not because I have hands of stone from cooking for years. It's just, it's not hot.
At some point, that's engineering. That's our job as engineers. We do the study and do the research and understand the materials to do something in them that's effortless for people.
And now I get